And they will only take pictures, there are no videos. Videos of them going around doing things, there's a video of them traveling. It's just old fabulous.
Dito naman eh.
No, but it's really though. Because it's what makes sense. You know, really fabulous thing.
Dito na, oh.
That's good.
But there's still sauce, but the important is the meat is cooked. Very good. Even this sauce won't go. One is very hot. Hot lang natin. This should be done now. This sauce.
If you want to make the sauce a little thicker, you can just leave it open for a bit.
Yeah. Open.
Because the sauce will evaporate faster.
No, I thought when it goes evaporate faster everywhere.
It will
It doesn't
evaporate
need
faster.
like that. Yeah, okay, init.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at the sauce.
That was good.
Good. Yeah, that's ready. Okay, enough na ng wood lang. No more putting wood. Yeah? Thank you. Ito nang among kuan. So, blackout man, no electricity. I'm glad we could do it in that kuan with burning.